Do you want to look and feel great when you run and do some errands? I'm Melody from WTI, and that is exactly what this heated vest from Topdot does for you. I really love the lightweight quilted material, and once the battery pack is out, feel free to throw it in the washing machine. It's completely machine washable. It's easy to use. The battery pack that heats up 10 zones actually lasts up to 10 hours. So you're good for a long time. It gives you a readout on your battery life, and there's even a place in there for you to plug in your phone. And it all fits nicely into this little tiny little zipped up pocket. And choosing the heat setting and the zone couldn't be easier. Blue is low, white is medium, red is high, and as soon as you turn it on, you're going to feel it right away. It gives you warmth no matter what you're doing, whether it's running errands, walking, working, or even just hanging around with some friends. And even if you just need a little soothe for those aching muscles, this heated vest from Topdot is a win-win. But that's my point of view.